and homecoming chair for NAMA's 90th Grand Alumni Homecoming. He is a top awardee for civil engineering, a professor at MIT for structural design, and past president of MIT CE and SEG. He is the founder and managing partner of Abinales and Associates, Engineers and Construction. Ladies and gentlemen, let me call on Mr. Adam Abinales, our inducting officer.
Thank you, Ma'am. Yeah, before I administer your oath of office, but I would like to again to invite everyone on May 18, our 90th Grand Alumni Homecoming. I'm sure that Ming has already registered most of you here, so I hope to see you all on May 18 at the Marriott Grand Ballroom. Okay, so please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Okay, I state your name.
I, Jonathan Embratia,
Having been elected as state your position
having been elected as first vice president
of the Mapua Association of Management Service and Industrial Engineers Incorporated, MAMSI,
of the Mapua Association of Management Service and Industrial Engineers Incorporated, MAMSI,
for the years 2024 to 2026,
for the years 2024 to 2026,
do hereby solemnly promise
do hereby solemnly promise
that I will faithfully and conscientiously perform
that I will faithfully and conscientiously perform
to the best of my ability all the duties and responsibilities of my office,
to the best of my ability all the duties and responsibilities of my office,
that I will promote its ideals and objectives,
that I will promote its ideas and objectives,
that I will do everything within my power
that I will do everything within my power
to fulfill the spirit and provision of its constitution and bylaws,
to fulfill the spirit and provision of its constitutions and bylaws,
that I will conduct myself
that I will conduct myself
in a manner so as to bring honor and prestige in MAMSI,
in a manner so as to bring honor and prestige to MAMSI,
to our mother organization, the National Association of Mapua Alumni Inc., NAMA,
our mother organization, the National Association of Mapua Alumni Incorporated, NAMA,
and to our alma mater, the Mapua University.
and to our alma mater, the Mapua University.
And I hereby declare
And I hereby declare
that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,